Hi, I'm Tim Vadney, Director of National Service for Valera. In this program, we'll go through the fresh air surround with non-ozone generating bulb. Let's go ahead and take a look at the package. You have the fresh air surround unit itself. You have an owner's manual. You have an additional plate. You have a remote control with batteries. You have a screwdriver, and you have a power cord. Let's go ahead and get this unit set up for operation. Start by attaching the power cord to the back of the unit. Take your remote control, install your batteries, for optimal use, place it on top of a high shelf, bookcase, or refrigerator. In the next section, we'll go through maintaining the unit. In this section, let's go ahead and talk about the 30-day maintenance on the fresh air surround. These units require service approximately every 30 days, and the front screen will show when service is required on the unit. For this service, you will need a vacuum cleaner, a soft cloth, ammonia, the screwdriver from the kit, and a couple cotton swabs. Start by taking the soft cloth and dampening it and wiping down the outer case, being sure not to use any cleaning solutions or abrasives. Once you've wiped the unit down, take your vacuum cleaner and vacuum the front grill and the rear grill. Once you've completed that, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the unit. Lift the unit up and remove the screw that's located above the power cord receptacle in the back of the unit, using your screwdriver from your kit to remove the screw. Take the screw out, set the unit down, squeeze the sides to remove the back cover. Once the back cover is removed, take your vacuum cleaner and clean the pre-filter before removing it. Once you've vacuumed it, remove the two nuts that hold the pre-filter in place. Lift the pre-filter out, vacuuming the back side of the pre-filter, and set aside. Remove the cell from the back of the unit by taking the two nuts off. And disconnect from the receptacle. Lift the cell out. Take your vacuum and vacuum to clean the cell, being sure to get all the sides. Set the cell aside. Remove the plate. Vacuum the plate to remove the loose dust and debris. Set that aside. Go ahead and vacuum and clean the inside of the unit with the vacuum cleaner to get any dust and dirt that may be left. Take your soft cloth with your ammonia and clean the plate, doing both sides. And for stubborn spots, take your cotton swab with some ammonia to clean, to remove those. Once that's been cleaned, slide the plate back into the unit, reinstall the cell, take your pre-filter and take it to the sink to go ahead and perform the final cleaning before reinstalling to the unit. You have 4 separate filters that are used on this. You want to go ahead and run it under water to clean. You clean each individual filter with the water, and you're going to set it aside and pat each one dry before you reassemble it. Once you've cleaned and dried the pre-filter thoroughly from rinsing it in a sink, go ahead and reinstall it on the unit. Once the pre-filter is back in place, go ahead and put the back cover back on the unit. And reinstall the screw above the power receptacle. Now that maintenance has been done on the unit, go ahead and do a final wipe down. Go ahead and plug it into power and set it back in place, and be sure to hit the reset button for maintenance for the 30-day cycle. Maintenance is key every 30 days to ensure trouble-free operation. Hi, I'm Tim Vadney, Director of National Service for Valera. In this program, we'll be going through the Novus Air Mini and the servicing of that product. What you want to do is take the unit and tap gently to remove any dirt and debris that may be stuck in the grid work. Once you've done that, you can take some compressed air and carefully blow to remove any other loose particles that may have lodged themselves in the grill. Once you've done that, go ahead and grab a cotton swab and your rubbing alcohol to go ahead and clean that grid work out. What you want to do is go through each and every opening along the top of the Air Mini to ensure that it's clean, and across the top of the grill to make sure that it's nice and clean. Once you've done that, go ahead and set it aside and let it dry before turning back on. Maintenance on this particular product can be done as often as necessary.